Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily open your Dodge Ram key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple process will take just a few minutes, allowing you to replace your battery without any hassle. Let's get started with this straightforward method. Now, let's locate the key fob's opening point. Carefully examine the edges of your Dodge Ram key fob. You'll notice a thin seam that runs all the way around, indicating where the two halves connect. Often, there's a small notch or a slight indentation along this seam, usually near where the physical key ring attaches. This is your target for the next step. With the seam located, it's time to gently pry open the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into the notch or seam you identified. With a slow, controlled motion, gently twist the screwdriver. You should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate slightly. Remember to use light, steady pressure to prevent any damage to the plastic casing. Now for the battery replacement. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully lift it out. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.